Hello everyone, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix GTA 5, the procedure entry point SteamApps error. So let's start. For the first method, go to the Windows taskbar, right click on it, after that click on Task Manager. Now in the search, look for the launchers that you have the game on. Start by looking for Rockstar. If you do find it running in the background, make sure you select it, right click, after that click on End Task. Now search for Steam or Epic Games. Do the same thing right here, right click and then select End Task. Now for the next step, go to your upside arrow in the taskbar. After that, if you do have an antivirus, right click. Now make sure to open the quarantine. Now most likely you'll find these file names in the quarantine that the antivirus detect them as a threat. So what you need to do is select both of them, like this example. After that, you need to go to these three dots and then select restore and add exception. It is important. Otherwise you'll face the same issue again. Now if you don't find them in the quarantine and that is not the issue, just open the launcher. Once it opens, go to library in the left menu. Now search for the game. You will see these three dots next to the name. Just click it. After that, move and click on manage right here. You'll be redirected to this. You can see this verify file section. You need to click on verify. That way any corrupted or missing file will be recovered safely and your issue should be solved. If you find it helpful, consider like and subscribing, and see you on the next one.